Hello everyone! So a review today about Spartan and Climber. First thing, I apologize for my voice. I was sick. I'm still a bit. Nothing to do with the pandemic. Just a cold, big cold. So sorry for my strange voice. So quick review about Spartan and Climber. We'll see what's the difference. And also we'll see what tools we have. So see you in 10 seconds. So the Spartan. So we have number 13603. Same box, nothing new. Usual box. So this is the Spartan. So 91mm knife. So we have for the thickness 14.5mm. It weighs 59 grams. It has 12 functions. So we see the tools. So it's basic tools. We have the large blade. We have small blade. Then can opener, little flathead screwdrivers, bottle opener, large flathead screwdriver, and wire bender. Wire stripper if you want, but I prefer wire bender. On this side we have corkscrew, then reamer or punch, all as you wish. The keyring, of course, tweezers, toothpick. To compare, this is exactly as the Tinker, but the difference is here we have Phillips screwdriver instead of the corkscrew. I did a review about the Tinker, which is right here. I'll put it in the description below too. So I have also this one, which is beautiful too. So it's Spartan. So 2 layers, of course. We find those tools on every 91mm knife, except the compact. But this is the only exception. But we always have this combination with large blade, small blade, can opener, and bottle opener on every knife, 91mm knife, and the corkscrew and the reamer. But of course, not always the corkscrew. We can have the Phillips screwdriver. For the price, it's 23 euros for Victorinox, and you can find it cheaper, of course. I bought it 17 euros, so it's really not that much. So we'll see the next one. So the Climber, so the number 13703. So the same basic box. We have 91mm, of course. Then we have 18mm for the thickness. We have 82 grams, and we have 14 functions. So 2 more functions compared to the Spartan. So large blade, small blade, can opener, little flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, large flathead screwdriver, wire bender, 2 positions, in line and 90 degrees, which is not the case for this one, can opener. And so this is exactly as the Spartan for now, but now we have scissors, which is the difference. But we also have the hook, multi-purpose hook. and also, of course, corkscrew, rimmer, exactly like Spartan. So the difference is the hook and scissors. Interesting fact, for 91mm knife, when you have scissors, you have the hook, and if you have the hook, you have scissors. Always. They are on the same layer, the same spring, and they are always together. So if you have a hook, you have scissors. If you have scissors, you have the hook. This is only for the knife after 1991, because before 1991, the hook didn't exist on 91mm knife. So if you have a climber before 1991, it doesn't have the hook. But since 1991, you always have scissors and hook together. I also have one like this, yellow, which is a beautiful one. So climber 2, 3 layers. And to compare, we have Super Tinker, the same knife like Spartan and Tinker. Only difference is Phillips screwdriver at the back. So I did a review about this one. Put the link here, and also in the description below, of course. So two great knives. It depends if you want scissors. If you think you don't need scissors, you won't need scissors. So go for Spartan. If you want scissors, of course, the best is the climber. And something else, if you want corkscrew, or if you want Phillips screwdriver. So once you've decided if you want scissors or not, you have to decide if you want corkscrew or Phillips screwdriver. If you have the corkscrew, you can add the mini screwdriver. You can't with a Phillips. But if you want a Phillips, so if you want Phillips and scissors, it's Super Tinker. And if you want Phillips but no scissors, it's the Tinker. So I think I said everything I wanted to. Still, I'm sorry for the voice. Still wanted to make the video. So as always, if you like the video, thumbs up, comment in the comment section, say what you think, say what you prefer. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. If you want more than just the two classic layers and scissors, if you would like to have magnifying glass or Phillips but inline, stuff like that, you can ask in the comment section. If you don't know what model could suit you, and if it does exist, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More reviews like this coming about classic knives, 91mm knives, 84mm, A-locks, etc., limited editions, discontinued models. So, I hope you liked the video today. Take care, thanks for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.
You stole my heart of gold.